What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Lance. Today this has been the most longest awaited moment ever, and we're finally gonna be able to do it. We're getting the wheels and tires put on today. This is probably the last time we're gonna be seeing the black edition wheels on the GTR. New work wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport tires. We're getting this all put on today. I'm actually just waiting for Scarlett to show up because he's gonna help me. We're gonna load it up in his truck. We probably might get some food later on. We're gonna drop these off to our friend Nestor. He's gonna be taking care of the wheels and tires for us. If you guys saw my Instagram, that I've been having a problem with the birds in my neighborhood. I don't know why, but I've been using this cover ever since I got the car, and only now the birds start picking at the material of the car cover, and I guess they're trying to build their own nest. Now I gotta find another car cover. Weird car problems for people in Hawaii. You got birds eating away at your car cover. And more importantly, I'm gonna say this again. Anybody wants black edition GTR wheels, please let me know. You could probably throw it on a 350Z, 370Z maybe, G35, G37, Q maybe, Q50, Q60. Unless if I get this video to 50 likes, I'm gonna ask Aaron if we can put the GTR black edition wheels on his supercharged Mustang. I think that would be pretty cool. If you guys don't know, you guys see my boy Aaron. He has the white supercharged Mustang, the 4.6 Saline. I give him the most props because he literally did everything to his car in his garage. And knowing him to do crazy stuff, I think putting GTR wheels on a Mustang GT supercharged would probably be a cool video for us to make. If you guys do want to see that video where we put GTR wheels on a supercharged Mustang, again, 50 likes, that's all I need. Also, with that being said, while Skylar's getting backed up, if you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, help your boy out, help grow this channel. Again, it's your boy Lance. I'm located here in Hawaii, and I just want to make automotive content, and the dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with it. So make sure you guys smash the like button for today's video, and make sure you guys subscribe. Before we load up, oh, this is for you. This is your segment right there.
What is my segment?
A lot of people's been asking. They want to see the NSX more.
Soon. We're gonna bring them both out again.
I know, right?
3 weeks again, cruise again.
Oh yeah? Okay, bet. Me and my man Nestor's shop right now. Nestor! Yeah. Show me on Shaka! Just to show you guys, because he opened it just so he can put it on the vlog. We got the Alpha 12 fully carbon fiber manifold. At the highest potential with the right supporting mods, the Alpha 12 should be hitting close to about 1200 horsepower. I'm assuming the manifold is around at least 10 G's. $10,000, maybe even more. GTR turbos on a Q50. Is that even safe?
It's built.
Built? Yeah. Built block? Oh my goodness, look at that carbon fender. Raised Nismo wheels too? Damn. With the GTR wing too. Boosted Q with stock turbo. When you look at the Q right here in the front, it looks like a GTR. Comparison, VR, just look at this part right here. It looks pretty much the same as a VQ, but this one has a potential of 1200 horsepower, and I don't know how many horsepower can that push. We're interrupting today's video with us eating some good food. If y'all haven't tried lumpia, you guys gotta try lumpia. I'm just sharing my Filipino side with you guys. If you ain't tried lumpia, you're missing out, man. But oh, this is hot. Oh, this is hot.
Fail.
Anyways, Nestor is putting together everything for us. By the time we get back, it should be done. Every time Skylar comes down to this side of the island, it's like we're always getting lumpia. Next, I'm gonna put this guy in Kaskurun. And for all you guys that don't know what Kaskurun is, that's like next level. It's a little bit more, how do I say it? More filling, but it's good. Oh my God, I don't know what we're doing today, but we got the Volvo on deck. We got the lechon with the pancit. Lumpia, oh my, and we ran into our friend, shout out to Kevin at Tepon Legend. Fried noodles. Alright, it's already the next morning. Unfortunately, I didn't have any time to put on the wheels for the car. As soon as the wheels were done, I already had to head straight to work, so we're gonna try and finish it today. But unfortunately, Hawaii's weather's been really bipolar this morning. It's freezing cold. Yesterday it was really hot and muggy. Now today it's like just pouring rain, so I also need to do some last minute stuff for the air suspension just to make sure everything is torqued down correctly. And then new wheels are going on. And with that being said, new wheels are going on in 3, 2, 1. my god, this is ridiculous, guys. We're at about 100 psi all the way around. This car literally looked like it wants to go off-roading. Like a third of the tire is sticking out, both front and the rear. Look at that, with the deep dish. Oh my goodness, you have got to be kidding me. Even in the front, it looks super aggressive in the front as well. We can't do anything with the rears, guys. Like, I literally maxed out. That's all work wheels could do was minus 52, and that's the most that they could go. I forget what was the fronts, but honestly, just seeing this in person now, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Now, one of the things is we have to cut off the front bumper. We kind of have to follow this line right here and follow suit with it. My main concern though is gonna be in the back. Again, this is our first time, guys. This is like, we have no experience of cutting up and wide bodying any car whatsoever, and this is our first car. We may have to cut going just a little bit down this line just to make it look nicer and just to have a little bit more clearance for that. What else did I make? Oh yeah, that's right, this one. I was always wondering why it was kind of hard to shimmy the bumper. I figured out why, and right over here is the front crash bar, and it's kind of rubbing against the front bumper. But I guess the easy fix is just to shave a little bit on the inside. You can't really tell, just to get that clearance, because literally, like, it's solid. Honestly, guys, we've been waiting for months and months and months and months and months to get these wheels on, and finally we have them on. I'm super stoked now. I honestly can't believe this is happening. Again, huge shout out to Nestor from Nestor Motors for mounting and balancing my tires. One more thing that I forgot to point out is I thought GTR wheel clearance was really close, but guys, this is really close. I'm being really generous, but from my look, and I don't know if you guys can tell by the camera, but I want to say 3, maybe 4 millimeters of clearance from the brake caliper to the wheels. Not so much for the rears though. The rears, you have a slight more clearance. I forgot to put on the center cap, but I'll put it on later. Oh, and actually I might as well just ask you guys that now. So I put the black center caps on the fronts, and I kind of like the look of it, but I'm thinking about changing the black center caps to the chrome or the silver one, just to kind of have a little bit more contrast down in the bottom. Let me know, guys, drop it down in the comments. Should I run black center caps or silver center caps? I did not put the center caps for the rears, and I just kind of left that just to see if I were to order the chrome center caps and take a look at how it is compared to the black. So let me know, guys, drop it down in the comments. Bro, this guy literally hid in the corner and he freaking scared the hell out of me. Like, as soon as I said drop it in the comments, I literally started walking out the garage, and then Chris, you guys know Chris is my cousin, but like I saw somebody like peeking in this corner right over here of the house, and I'm like, what the hell? I was literally about to throw this camera because I was like in fight or flight mode. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, since you're here, what's your opinion? What's your take on the new wheels?
I don't know, man. Can fit a lot of stuff in here. Wow, this is nice though. Did you try sample with the
Not yet. On? No, I didn't want to do it yet.
Never like sample yet?
Not yet. I want to dyno it without the wide body fenders. I was just recording it, but look at the clearance of the brake caliper.
Oh. It's like a few millimeters.
Few millimeters, right? Oh my god, my heart is still racing because this guy freaking scared me, but anyways, should we take the GTR four-wheeling? Now it looks like a four-wheeler. If you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna end today's video here. In the next video, we're airing out the car and seeing how it looks. Again, depending on all the factors that's limiting the clearance as far as how low we can go, because I know this car can touch the ground. But again, we might have to make minor adjustments. So we're probably gonna air out the car in the next video, and that's pretty much it. FBO parts, dyno, paint, and done. Unless some other crazy thing happens and I knock on wood. I need to knock on wood. I don't want nothing bad happening. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Drop a like for today's video. If you guys could do me a favor, please share this video. We finally got the new wheels in, and thank you guys for watching. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.